Ted's Woodworking, Earth's largest database of woodworking projects. Ted's Woodworking is a woodworking enthusiast's dream come true. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, this comprehensive resource offers something for everyone. What Ted's Woodworking is all about and why it's considered the largest database of woodworking projects on Earth. What Ted's Woodworking offers. Ted's Woodworking is home to an impressive 16,000 woodworking plans. This vast collection caters to various skill levels, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned woodworkers. The plans are extensive and diverse, covering a wide range of projects, from small household items to large outdoor structures. The scope of Ted's Woodworking. The breadth of Ted's Woodworking is truly remarkable. With over 16,000 plans, you'll find designs for everything from simple chairs and tables to complex outdoor gazebos and garden sheds. Whether you want to craft a gift for a loved one or tackle a significant home improvement project, Ted's Woodworking has you covered. The benefits of Ted's Woodworking. One of the standout features of Ted's Woodworking is its user-friendly approach. The plans are designed to be comprehensive and easy to follow, making them perfect for woodworkers of all skill levels. This user-friendliness eliminates the guesswork and ensures that even beginners can complete their projects. Ted's Woodworking Plans, a closer look. Ted's Woodworking Plans provide detailed instructions from start to finish. Each plan includes step-by-step guidance, comprehensive material lists, and precise schematics. This attention to detail ensures you have a clear path to follow, reducing the chances of errors in your woodworking projects. Who can benefit from Ted's Woodworking? Ted's Woodworking caters to a broad audience. Whether you're a DIY hobbyist or a professional woodworker, these plans offer something for everyone. The sheer variety of projects ensures you'll always have ideas and opportunities to expand your skills. Ted's Woodworking for beginners. For those just starting in the world of woodworking, Ted's Woodworking is a goldmine. The plans are structured to build your confidence and competence. They also guide you on working with limited workshop space and basic tools, ensuring you can create stunning projects even with limited resources. How to get access to Ted's Woodworking. Getting access to Ted's Woodworking is straightforward. You can check the video description and click on the link to sign up for a membership. Once you've become a member, you'll have unlimited access to the entire database of plans, allowing you to choose projects that suit your preferences and skill level. Ted's Woodworking's digital platform. In today's digital age, Ted's Woodworking is accessible online, ensuring you can explore your woodworking projects on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This convenience means you can access your plans wherever you go. The perfect woodworking plan. So, what makes a perfect woodworking plan? Ted's Woodworking answers that question by providing detailed, easy-to-follow plans that leave nothing to guesswork. They are designed to simplify the woodworking process while producing impressive results. Check the description to access Ted's Woodworking from the official website.